Like this, the first dot, last dot variables are created whenever we are using the, the data step, whenever we use the by statement. These are the values that we get. So here we have to apply the condition by using the first dot and last dot. Like then if first dot ID, we can give like this. So whenever we give in the first dot ID, it will subset the data. You can see here we got only 3 observations because whenever we use the first dot ID, it is considered as if first dot ID equal to 1. It is considered like this. It will consider the condition like this. So in the PDB, it will check the value. In the PDB, it will check the value. First dot ID equal to 1. So this observation was fixed. First dot ID equal to 1. So this observation was fixed. First dot ID equal to 1. So this observation was fixed. So these 3 observations are fixed and these 3 observations are subsetted. So in the VS3, you can see only we have the 3 observations. Okay. So whenever we pick the, we give the last dot ID.
हेलो कहाँ पे
whenever we give the last dot ID, here you can see we got the latest observation here. Okay. But we got only 3 observations. But how many observations should we get? We should get based on the ID and visit, right? We should get this observation, and in this we should get the latest one, this one, and in this 3 we should get this one, and we should get this one. This was only present for 1 or 220, and for 1 or 2 it is deleted, and we should get this one. So totally, how many observations we should get?
6 6
Observation. So, but but directly when we are applying condition, we are getting only 3 observations. So we should increase the it get to 6 observations. So for that we have to do we have to change the condition in our data set. So what we can do,
last go last digit So last dot visit, I mean, we take ID and visit also both.
So here
The visit also.
we have to give the variable called dt, right? In the sorting, we have to include the five variables. When we run this, here also give the dt.
Hmm.
When we give the condition last dot dt,
Hmm. Hmm.
we got 10 observations because
Yes.
every the date was different. Yes, for 101, you can see for these three observations, every date was different. So for
Yes.
that, we are getting the all observations. Just wait a minute. Where we step here, when we are giving the last dot dt. So for these three observations, the date was different because for this we are getting the every observation. So when we give here last dot visit, so here how many last dot visits we have? A last dot visit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got 6 observations here. Hello, are you seeing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is considered as last dot visit only, right? It was started here and ended here. So this observation was picked. So this is also considered as last dot visit. This is also it will be picked. So I will open the sorted data. Even if you don't include the DT also, we must include the DT because we should get the data, the date values also should be get at the sorted, right? So in the three observations, the data also sorted. The last we have the latest date. So when we pick the last dot visit, this was picked in this two. The last dot DT was the last dot visit was this only. No, this observation is picked in this three. The last dot visit is this observation was fixed for the last dot DT. So here in our data, what we have 15th August, 25th August, 17th August. So whenever we are including the DT in the sorting, then only the date is sorted in the ascending order. 15th August, 17th August, and 25th August. If do not included, this 25th August will be in the middle and 17th August will be at the last. So we have to include the date variable also to get the latest data. Okay. So yeah, you can see we got the 6 observations here. Let's open the VS2 data set.
Yes.
Okay. So this was the sorted data. This was the latest data we have subset. So in this, you can see in, the, in this two observations, these two are same. We have picked the latest one. For 101 20 period, we have picked the 28th August. 101 20, we have picked the latest 28th August, one, right? So for 102 10, we have three observations. In this, we have sorted the by giving the by variables. We also given the DT, so it was sorted ascendingly. So in this, we pick the last observation, that is 25th August for 1 up to 10. So for 1 up to 10, we got the 25th August, right? Does the output got correctly? We have subset the
Yes.
6 observations. So
Yes.
like this, we can subset the data, the latest data by using the first dot and last dot variables in the PDB. Okay. By using this first dot last dot concept also, we can create a sequence. Suppose in this, I want to know how many times this 101 subject was present. How can we do? How many times this 102 subject was present in this data? How can we find this? We have to give the sequence number for this observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then if we give we can get the how many times each subject was present in the data set. Okay, will you try that or should I explain now?
Explain how to remind sequence one thing.
Yeah. This sequence variable in every domain, we should create this sequence variable. Okay. Data vs. As I told earlier, to use the first dot and last dot, we should the data should be sorted, right? So I'm using directly the raw data set without any sorting. So let's see what happens. Suppose I use these three the by statement. For ID, these three variables are not required, but to show the error without sorting the data, whatever you will get to show that I'm using these three variables. So when you run this, you can uh, log in, you can clearly see that the by variables are not properly sorted on the dataset work.ws. Okay, so the variables which are using in the by statement, the data should be sorted according to these variables. Unless and until we cannot use these variables in the by statement. Okay, so for sequence we need only ID. So just use the ID. So as ID was as can see, the ID was already sorted 101, 102, 102. So there are, we do not get any issues if you use the ordered already sorted variable. So whenever we are used here by ID in the backend in the log window, first or last dot variables are already created. So by using that we should create the sequence. So we should create if first dot ID then seq equal to 1. If first dot ID then seq equal to 1. Let's open this data set. You can see here from first dot ID we got seq value as from 1. So here we should use another statement else seq equal to seq plus 1. So you can see here we got a note called missing values were generated as a result of performing an operation on missing values. Okay, let's open this VS2 dataset. You can see we got only this one value. On another one, it was not ordered. So for this, we have to use the retain statement. Retain statement was used to initialize the variable with 0, right? Retain FAQ for 0. Now, no issues in the log. You can see here we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Means here we got 4. If we have 4 means is 1 to 1 or 2 subject was has 4 observations. one or three subject as pre-observation. So without using this return statement also, we can simply use by removing this SEQ process by directly using like SEQ plus one. Defaultly in the backend, the return statement will work. Okay, I think I already explained this return statement the previous. So you can see we got the sequence variable right by using the first order and last order. Okay, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Should we move to the next procedure or should we discuss in next class?
Next class.
Okay, can I end the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.